Welcome to Cloud AWZ, your beginner-friendly guide to cloud and DevOps, where we break down complex concepts into simple, practical lessons. Let's get started. Who is a cloud engineer? A cloud engineer is a professional who designs, builds, and manages infrastructure on platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. They ensure businesses have cloud solutions that are secure, scalable, and efficient. As a cloud engineer, you take on several key responsibilities. First is infrastructure management. This means building and configuring compute resources, storage, and networking. For example, services like Azure Virtual Machines, AWS EC2, Azure Storage, and Amazon S3 are used to power applications. Networking tools such as Azure VNet and AWS VPC ensure secure and scalable connectivity. Next is security and identity access management. Cloud engineers implement secure authentication and access control using tools like Microsoft Entra ID, Azure Active Directory, and AWS IAM to protect sensitive data and cloud resources. Finally, there's automation and cost optimization. Tools such as Terraform, Ansible, and CloudFormation help automate infrastructure deployment. Meanwhile, monitoring and optimization services like AWS CloudWatch ensure performance and cost efficiency. In short, a cloud engineer balances performance, security, and efficiency across both AWS and Azure platforms. So, who is a DevOps engineer? A DevOps engineer works at the intersection of development and operations, bridging the gap between software developers and IT operations teams. Their main goal is to streamline the software delivery process, improve collaboration, and automate workflows. By doing this, they ensure applications are deployed faster, more reliably, and at scale. We've just seen the key responsibilities of a cloud engineer: building and managing infrastructure, securing resources, and automating with tools like Terraform and Ansible. But in today's tech world, infrastructure alone isn't enough. Businesses also need faster software delivery, reliable deployments, and smooth collaboration between development and operations teams. That's where the role of a DevOps engineer comes in. As a DevOps engineer, your responsibilities revolve around three main areas. First is CI/CD pipeline development. DevOps engineers build and maintain continuous integration and deployment pipelines using tools like Jenkins, Azure DevOps, and GitHub Actions. These pipelines automate software delivery, making releases faster and more reliable. Next is containerization and orchestration. This involves using Docker to package applications into containers and then managing them at scale with orchestration platforms like Kubernetes or Azure Kubernetes Service. This ensures applications can run consistently across different environments. Finally, there's infrastructure management and monitoring. Automation tools like Terraform and Ansible help deploy infrastructure as code, while monitoring solutions like Prometheus ensure performance and reliability. Together, these responsibilities enable DevOps engineers to deliver software quickly, securely, and at scale. So, what's next on Cloud AWZ? We'll dive into AWS and Azure tutorials, with hands-on examples and real-world scenarios. We'll explore identity and access management along with infrastructure as a service in detail, focusing on security and advanced cloud concepts. And we'll go deeper into DevOps pipelines and Kubernetes orchestration, helping you master enterprise-scale deployments. Make sure to subscribe to Cloud AWZ so you don't miss these upcoming tutorials.